How to do a factory reset on a ferroli blue helix. Keep your finger on the press reset button. You do a little Tetris sign. We change to the screen, let go, and it'll be a code. So I'm going to put the code 123 in. So left button to 2, right plus button to 3. Then we press the reset button. Then press the reset button again. And we're going to go to parameter B29 while pressing the plus button. If you keep your finger on the button, it will go faster. We're going to get to B29. And we're going to see what that parameter is while pressing the right plus button. It always shows 0. We're going to change that to 10 by pressing the right plus button. Then we press the left button to enter that to P30. That's done a factory reset on the circuit board, and that get rid of a load of faults on the boiler. Then what you need to do, keep your finger on the reset button. And that's it. And that's how you do a factory reset on a ferroli blue helix.